I'm directing this message to Prime Minister Alex Salmond. My name is Amie Robertson and I am a Scottish citizen from Edinburgh University Tibet Society, and I'm making this message today to talk to you about the worsening crisis in Tibet, which I'm sure you're more than aware of. Unfortunately, Alex Salmond, I have to tell you that the situation in Tibet stands that now over 90 Tibetans have set themselves on fire in an act of resistance to the Chinese occupation of their country. They are doing this not out of desperation, but as a way to resist, as their only form of protest that they have against such an oppressive force. What they are being oppressed for is for calling for basic human rights and freedom in their own country. They are being oppressed for the simple want of self-determination in their own land, an issue that I'm sure you and I are more than familiar about. Now, especially being in Scotland and being the leader of such a nation, I feel that you have a moral obligation to stand for these people. By calling for Scottish independence, we should stand in solidarity with people that are not yet able to legally hold this right. We should stand in solidarity with the children that are only 15 years old, yet have to set themselves on fire to do the same things that we can take for granted. That is why, Alex Salmond, I urge you to condemn China's atrocities committed against Tibetans and take multilateral action on the Tibet crisis and stand with other concerned governments around the world on this issue. If you stand with Tibetans and speak out against China's atrocities, not only will you be saving millions of Tibetan lives, you will be saving a way of life, a culture, and a tradition that could be lost forever if we don't do something today. I leave this message with you, not knowing how many more Tibetans will have self-immolated by the time you get this, but hope that when you do, you will take action.